Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so glad to be introducing a new series on my channel. I'll be doing crocheting. I'm introducing this series whereby I'll be teaching you how to crochet using some materials which I'll mention later. So I hope you enjoy. Please stay tuned for that. I'll be uploading this series every Saturday. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any video on this crochet that I'll be doing for you guys, and I hope you get to enjoy. Remember, the videos will be out each and every Saturday, so please book an appointment, make sure you watch and learn as much as possible. So for today I'll just be introducing whatever it is that I'll be doing every Saturday for you guys. It's all about crocheting. So crocheting basically is an art whereby you'll use a needle. It's a crochet hook. I'll show you that later too. So you'll use your needle to interlock yarn, then you'll kind of get stitches and patterns which are so beautiful and everything. So I hope you just stay around and make sure you enjoy each and every process. And crocheting is so very addictive. I assure you guys, once you start crocheting, you'll be hooked forever. Like, it's so addictive and it's a creative process. It's addictive and creative, and yeah, you'll just have fun with it. And I also find that apart from being addictive and fun, it's so soothing and relaxing, because whenever you are going to crochet, you'll be making stitches, and these stitches can be repetitive in form. So by that, I just find it so relaxing and soothing. So it's just soothing. Crocheting basically, it's so very soothing. And before we continue, guys, make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up already. Yeah, so that's it. So during crocheting, as you make your stitches, you can make stitches of any form and in any order that you want. You can make them as small as you want, you can make them tall, you can make them wide, you can make them narrow. Whichever form you want to achieve, you can do all that using this process. So basically, these are the materials that I use. They are all in here, so I'll take you through them. This is just a band. You won't need it most of the time, but in some projects you might need it. So for the most important ones, you'll need a scissor, obviously, for cutting the yarn. You'll need this one. Then you'll need, for the hooks, you'll need something like this. I hope it's clear enough. So you'll need these. And these hooks come in different sizes and in different shapes. They are also made of different materials, so you can get whichever fits you to use. So for the sizes, you can see the hooks that I have here. They're in different colors. These are still, they are metal still, so you can use these ones. So here they are in different colors, different sizes, like the thickness vary. Like this one is 2.0 millimeters. They are marked here, so you can see the calibration. So I don't know if you'll be able to see that somewhere here in this part. There's a calibration. Yeah, so you don't need as much the way I do. You don't need all these, but you can just have one. But depending on also the type of material that you're going to be using, like maybe the size of the yarn, you'll either need this one this small one you'll use to crochet small yarn. Like when you're using smaller yarn, you can use this one. But if you're using bigger yarns like chunky wool or anything, you'll need a bigger one. This is 8.0 milliliters, 8.0 millimeters. So it just depends. You don't need to have all these, but if you do, the better. They vary in sizes, as you can see. So that's it for the crochet needles, the crochet hooks, sorry. Then you can also use a tape measure if you want. You can get a tape measure, but it's not it's optional. It's not If you don't have it, don't worry, because it's no big deal. So basically those are the only things that you'll be using, but some crocheters go ahead to use things like markers. There are some, those markers are kind of in plastic, but you don't need them. You can use yarn to use as your markers. I'll show you that when you follow me. Obviously you'll see whatever it is that I use to, you'll see whatever I use as my markers when you follow me on that. So it literally skipped my mind, like I forgot to show you the yarn that I use, but here they are. So these are the yarns that I use. You'll see the chunky ones, the ones that are a little bit thinner. So here they are. I'm just arranging them in order. It totally escaped my mind. I even forgot about that, but too good I remembered. So here it is. You can see this purple one, the purple one, and the other white one. So this one and the other white one, there it is. They are kind of chunky. They are not the chunkiest, but at least they are kind of thicker in, like in diameter. They are kind of thicker compared to the rest. So for these you can't use those thin needles, you'll thin hooks. You'll need those thicker ones. Then for the rest, these are kind of 3-ply. They are thinner and finer, so you'll use the thinner hooks too. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you here, and that's basically it. So you can be as creative with the yarn colors. Just add, like, you can use any colors that you want to make any project. You are not limited. Yeah, please make an appointment and make sure you stay and watch and learn this art and everything. So with that said, as I said, crocheting is a very creative process. So there are so very many things that you can make from home interior things. You can make pillowcases, you can make cushion and cushion covers, you can make duvets. Is it duvets or duvets? You can make duvets, you can make throws, and you all know just how throws make a room like so warm and cozy. So you can make throws, you can make ottomans, you can make table mats and table runners. You can also make floor mats. You can also make that, yeah. Then for like clothing, you can make dresses, you can make skirts, you can make shorts, you can make head ties, you can make footwear. Like your imagination is just not so limited, because you use different types of yarn and in different colors, so you can mix whatever you want. Just experiment and have fun as you create your masterpiece. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly make sure you subscribe, and please make a date. Every Saturday I'll be uploading a crochet video, Miss Archibella's YouTube channel. Don't remember that. Please, after subscribing, make sure you press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In my channel, I also get to do motivation talks. I also do hair stuff, DIYs, and just lifestyle stuff. So I hope you get to enjoy. Please make sure you join the family, and thanks for your support, guys. So that's it for today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for the support, and I appreciate. Thank you.